In the last video, we talked about why is skincare important and how to determine your skin types. Welcome to another video on my channel Steps to Glam. Today, we are diving into specific steps of morning and evening routine, when to use it and why. You might be thinking, can I just rinse my face with water and apply some moisturizer? Well, it's not that simple. Every skincare steps has a purpose, and the right order of the products can be the difference between glowing skin and ongoing skin issue. Weather. We'll explain why double cleansing is essential, when to apply serums, where you really need the SPF, and which step you should never skip. If you want to know how to create effective skincare routine tailored to your skin, keep watching.
Now let's take a look at what a proper skincare routine should look like and how I've structured mine. My skin is dry but gets very oily through the day. I have acne on my cheeks and chin, blackheads on my nose and terrible dark circles under my eyes. Before diving into the specific step of my skincare routine, it is important to remember that products should always be applied from the lightest to the thickest consistency. This means we start with the water-based products, then move oil-based ones, and finally apply creams as a last step. We've already discussed that double cleansing is essential, but it's not always necessary in the morning. It depends on your preferences. If you use a cream with strong active ingredients at night, or just feel like your skin needs it, you can include double cleansing in your morning routine, but it's not a must. I personally don't use it, so my first step in the morning is simply rinsing my face and cleansing with a gentle gel. Next, hydration is a key. While my skin is still damp from cleansing, I take a cotton pad, apply a hydration toner, and gently wipe my face with it. The third step is applying a serum. It's crucial to know the consistency of your serums so that you apply them from the lightest to the thickest. The fourth step in my morning routine is a serum that helps reduce puffiness and improve circulation under the eyes, which should help with the dark circles. The final step in my morning routine is applying a day cream. I'm currently using one from Field Petals, which I wanted to try, but it only has SPF 15. Day cream should ideally have at least SPF 30 or even better SPF 50. If you know of a good SPF product that works well, let me know in the comments. So that's it for my morning routine. Now let's move on to my evening routine. The first and most crucial step in the evening routine is double cleansing. This is important because we need to remove oil, SPF, other waterproof impurities from the skin, which is best done with an oil-based product. You can choose between an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing milk. This is entirely up to your personal preferences. The second cleansing step focuses on thoroughly cleansing the skin and removing any remaining dirt or residue from the first step. For this, we use a water-based cleanser. Now that the skin is perfectly clean, we move on to exfoliation. This step is essential because it removes dead skin cells, promotes cells renewal, enhances products absorption, prevent clogged pores and acne, even out the skin tone, and leaves the skin smooth and soft. However, recommendations on how often to exfoliate vary. Some sources say once or twice a week, while others suggest 3 to 4 times. If you have a more precise answer, let me know in the comments so we can all be sure. After cleansing, the next step is toning, which helps restore the skin's natural pH and prepares it for the following steps. This is necessary both in the morning and at night, as cleansing dehydrates the skin and toning helps restore balance. These steps also allow the skin to absorb the next products more effectively. The fourth step in my routine is a serum specifically aimed at treating my acne. Next, I apply serum rich in active ingredients that support hydration and skin regeneration overnight. The sixth step in my evening routine is an eye serum for dark circles. There is a lot of debate about whether these eye serums actually work. Some say they are just a marketing trick, while others swear by them. Personally, I believe that since the skin around the eyes is the tiniest and most delicate on the entire face, it deserves some extra care. Final and last step of my evening skincare routines. Yes, we have finally reached the end. Is applying a night cream. This provides essential and locks in moisture, which is crucial for the skin's regeneration during sleep. Now let's briefly go back to why it's important to follow the correct order of skincare steps. It's all about product absorption. If you apply them in the wrong order, for example, an oil-based product before a water-based one, the water-based product won't be able to penetrate the skin. This means all steps would be pointless as the skin wouldn't absorb the beneficial ingredients, resulting in wasted time and money.
If you're interested in this topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I'll be sharing regular updates on how my skin is changing, what works and what doesn't. And if you want to see more and see how this routine works for me and exactly what products I'm using for this routine, you can follow me on my Instagram, Steps to Glam. I'll be sharing how I use them and also tracking the skin's progress because let's be real, the skin needs few weeks to show the real results. So if you try this too, don't get discouraged if you don't see the instant changes. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on skincare and beginner friendly makeup, give this video a like and hit the subscribe button, and also let me know in the comments what has helped to your skin and what topic you'd like me to cover next time. So that's it for today. I'm so excited to see the changes on my skin. And you can look forward to next video where we will talk about different types of brushes, if you really need all of them or can we get by just the basics. So take care and see you next time.